Auzubillahiminesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum student. I am here with 5th lecture of class 9th and 10th. As you know that we have covered some properties of previous lecture. Now today we will discuss the properties of De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? It is very important, this set you can say. Now what is the De Morgan's law? What is the definition of De Morgan's? So De Morgan's law, the definition is that let U be a universal set and A be any subset of U, then it is necessary U is a universal set, then 2 set we have given, then 2 set is also a subset of universal set. Then prove that first property is that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now second property is that A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. You can see on the board first property which is applied 2 set. Now which operation is applied union, and other properties you can see intersection which is applied in both set between U and A and B. Now we take an example. We have proved first properties of De Morgan's law. Let U is equal to A, E, I, O, U. This is a universal set by definition of U. U be any universal set. Then it is necessary 2 set we have given also is a subset of U. We can see here on the board A is equal to A, E and B is equal to A, O. You can see A and B both sets are a subset of U. Okay. Then proved A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Then verify the De Morgan's law. I have taken one properties. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now I take up this side, my left hand side. LH means left hand side, which means left hand side and right hand side. The answer is same. That means 2 sides are same. These properties are proved by De Morgan's law. Now A union B whole complement. First of all, I want to solve bracket A union B. Then we solve complement. Now A union B is equal to A, which is equal to AE, and union B is equal to AO. Union of 2 sets A union B is equal to AEO. Then again we solve complement. A union B whole complement is equal to U minus A union B. If we have given universal set, then we subtract A union B. We have given some element, that means is called A union B whole complement. This is equal to, for example, A union B whole complement is equal to U minus A union B. Universal set we have given. Now A, E, I, O, U. Subtract A union B, then we have given A union B whole complement. So A, E, O will cancel. Now A union B whole complement, which is equal to I, U. So A union B means left hand side is equal to I comma U. Then it is necessary, then A complement intersection B complement is also is equal to I, U. Now we take right hand side A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. Now first I want to solve A complement. Now A complement which is equal to U minus A, which means A we have to find A complement. Now A complement is equal to U is equal to A E I O U. Subtract A means is equal to AE. AE will cancel. Now A complement is equal to I O U. Then also we have find B complement. So B complement is equal to U minus B. So U is equal to this side. Now B is equal to this side. And AO will cancel. B complement is equal to EIU. Now then we apply A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. A complement is equal to IOU, which is operation is applied intersection. Now B complement is equal to EIOU. Intersection means having both element common in A and B, which is we write now both common element, which is you can see on the board I common. Now U and U will common. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to IU. You can see on the board first property A union B whole complement, left hand side is equal to IOU and right hand side is equal to A in complement intersection B complement is equal to IOU. Both sides answer will be same. That means De Morgan's law is proved. So second property is that A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. It is homework for you. You can prove similar these ways. So that's all. Today we will meet again inshallah.